Service in Upton, New York has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Passaic County in northeastern New Jersey, Bergen County in northeastern New Jersey, southern Westchester County in southeastern New York, Bronx County in southeastern New York, Rockland County in southeastern New York, until 3 p.m. At 2:16 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Hawthorne or over Patterson, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. This severe thunderstorm will be near Ridgewood around 2:20 p.m. Hackensack and Paramus around 2:25 p.m. Brattle around 2:30 p.m. Bergenfield and Englewood around 2:35 p.m. Tappan and Riverdale around 2:40 p.m. Nyack and Orangeburg around 2:45 p.m. Yonkers and Dobbs Ferry around 2:50 p.m. New Rochelle and Tarrytown around 2:55 p.m. White Plains and Scarsdale around 3 p.m. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm, and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.